Hello friends, if you are trying to download Google Pay but you could not download it because there is a error of your device is not compatible with this version. So what is the reason behind this error and how can you solve it? So friends, if your device is simply too old to receive the necessary update, unfortunately you may not be able to download that specific app, so you need to replace your device with the latest feature. Okay, you can try some method to solve it. First is go to your device setting and look for system or software updates. Check for any update if available and install it, and this is often the quickest fix of this error. Okay, so and you can try some other method, that is go to your setting on your phone, go to the apps or app manager, find the Google Play Store, tap on storage and cache, tap clear cache and then clear storage. This will reset the Play Store, and you can restart your phone and trying download the app again. So if this method did not work, so you need to replace your device with the latest features. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.